Hi guys, today I shall be showing you how you can look at your replays on World of Tanks and how to use the free camera. So here we go. Right, so the first thing you want to do is go into your folders. So you go on this PC, your drive, games, World of Tanks, rest mods, your version of the game, and you should have a list of folders in this folder. So you want to look for this folder in particular. If you haven't got it, just create it. And in it you should have a list of things, but we are only going to be interested in this one. If you have not got the folder, that means that you haven't got this. So how do you get this document? I'll leave a link in the description below to download it on Mediafire. So we'll just download it and you place it in the folder UI. After you've done that, you go into World of Tanks and you enable battle recording. Once you've done that, you should be ready to go. And every single game you should record, and then you can watch them in the folder replays. And you just click on it and you're ready to go. Also, once you're watching this replay, you might want to use the free camera. So you might be like, but how do Quickie Baby and Mighty Jingles do it? To like go all over the map. So there's keys, special keys that do special things. So you open the folder or the file that you downloaded with Notepad, and you can see all of the keys. I might do a little document to simplify it, not sure yet. And these keys allow you to see what they do. So that's it. You can watch your replay. You just literally click on it. There won't be a server request or anything. You'll just go into the game and you'll be ready to go. So goodbye, have a nice day. That's it from Dr. Tom.